Hi everybody, I wanted to take a quick second to discuss the Kahoot Pins. I know that has caused some students some concern. Please do be sure to read the content that I post here for you guys. Like I tell you here, you might notice that each Kahoot has an expiration date. These dates are not the due dates. So let me just go to that really quickly. I have updated this with the new dates. You see an end date. This is an expiration date. So the way Kahoot is set up, when you assign these games as homework or challenges, the system will only allow you to set a pin available for 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, or now maybe it's 3 weeks, I have to go in and I have to update it. I always set them to the very latest date that the system will allow. Okay, so when I log into Kahoot and I go set up these Kahoot dates for you guys, alright, so I'm inside of my Kahoot games, and for example, how do muscles work? So in order for me to assign them for you to play outside of class and not be run by me, I have to create what's called a challenge. And here it only allows me now to go to the 7th. So I always select the latest date, and then I always select the latest time. And then once I hit create, which I can't do or it'll mess up your current pins, then it gives me the pin number that I have shared with you guys here in this course. Okay, so all you need to do is from your mobile device, go to your Kahoot app, put your pin in. Okay, that's all you need to do to be able to participate in the game. And remember, the Kahoots are important because this is how you earn bonus points for the end of the semester. So if you elect to not participate, I don't know why you would do that. Playing the Kahoots allow you to see the quiz questions. And then the quiz questions also make up the midterm and final questions. So it seems like it would only make sense to play the Kahoots at first. And honestly, when I go in and look at the Kahoot results, which I can do here, and it's kind of a long process, but by the time I get to the very end, right, I can see how many players have played. And so for the new challenge, alright, for example, let me go to you guys' stuff. What causes fatigue? See, these are all of you guys. Water is a nutrient too. Only 5 people in a class of 88. From food to energy. This is the current week coming up. Only 5, 4, 6 people have played. So I'm able to download this data and I'm able to see who has done what. So keep this in mind, because once you guys get to the end of the semester and are wanting bonus points, you're 1 or 2 points away from an A or a B. See, these are the students. This is how, and I know how many points they've earned and how many answers they got right and how many they got wrong. And then I can do a deeper dive and look at every single question. So I wanted to share this information with you so that you would take advantage of the Kahoot games. I am able to monitor who is playing and how many times. And I will be posting a leaderboard at the end of this week to try to keep up with your points. It's going to be hard for it to be accurate all the time because you could continue to go back and play, So, but by the end of the semester, once y'all are done, then that's easier for me to really tally all the points up. Okay, so if you have any other questions about the Kahoots, don't worry about the due dates on the pins. It's just something I share with you guys because the pin number is going to change and I don't want you to be confused by that. So let me know if you have questions. Do please come here and read. In an online class where I do not get to see you face to face, you must read and you must watch my videos. It's all I can do to try to help you through this process step by step. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to shoot me a message on our Remind app or shoot me an email. You'll get a quicker response using the Remind app. Okay, let's have a great week 3. I'll be sharing some videos about both of those weeks in the course.